Hello everyone, welcome to week 13, spring 2019. We are so close to the end. I cannot believe how fast it has come upon us. So I apologize, I'm behind on my update videos here, but just want to check in with you guys, make sure that we are all working toward the final objective for this class and staying on target. So it's a pretty light week, as you've seen. Reading chapter 12, again, that's really good for those of you that have never written a report before. Definitely check out chapter 11 and 12 again. Lecture video, go over some components that'll be helpful for the big assignment. There's an extra credit assignment. Again, take advantage of that. And then the biggest thing is the informal report. I've received a few different emails. I think the biggest thing that I've been hearing from people that is really the only issue is that some people are coming up with some interesting ideas, but they have not really narrowed those ideas down in scope to where it's going to be manageable and where they can kind of come up with a proposal that's like a realistic solution. Because again, kind of the idea with this report assignment is I want you to try to apply it to your interests, to your life. You know, if you're currently working, it would be great. You could use this assignment to try to solve a problem at your job. If you are a student, you know, don't do parking, right? If you're watching this, you already did parking. That's always a popular one, but it's just not a realistic or easy topic to solve at all, right? So you have to become kind of a pseudo expert in the span of not much time. You know, that's the bottom line, is pick something that's interesting to you that I hope you can get some usefulness and utility out of. But the bottom line is you have to actually research it and spend some time really engaging and demonstrating to me your critical thinking prowess. That's kind of one of the key elements of the objectives of the assignment. So email me sooner rather than later. You have an idea, you want to run it by me, I'm happy to respond with any concerns that I think you need to keep in mind. And we can start a conversation back and forth that way. So get to work on your report, and we've got just a few weeks to get it all finished and tightened up and finish this semester out. I will be working diligently and have been on getting caught up on grades. So keep an eye out as we kind of head into the beginning and middle of next week. I'm hoping to have your outstanding big assignment from the job package finished up, and so you'll have a much better idea going into dead week, at least where we are or where you sit, and if you have any issues in the grade department, we can try to deal with them sooner rather than later. All right, have a great week.